healthy weight gain, nourishing foods for a stronger you. Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special for all of you looking to pack on some healthy weight and build those muscles. We're diving into the world of delicious and nutritious foods that will help you on your weight gain journey. So, smash that like button and let's get started. Nutrient-packed breakfast. First up, we have the most important meal of the day, breakfast. Kickstart your morning with a powerhouse combo, a hearty omelette loaded with veggies, some whole grain toast, and a side of Greek yogurt topped with nuts and honey. This combo provides a perfect balance of protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats. Wholesome snacking. Snacking doesn't have to be guilty. Munch on nutrient-dense snacks like trail mix, a mix of nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and a sprinkle of dark chocolate. Keep these handy for those midday cravings to fuel your body in between meals. Power-packed lunch. Lunchtime. Prepare a colorful salad bursting with leafy greens, grilled chicken, chickpeas, and avocados. Pair it with a quinoa bowl loaded with roasted veggies for a satisfying and nourishing midday meal. Energizing smoothie. Time for a refreshing pick-me-up. Blend together a nutrient-packed smoothie with bananas, berries, spinach, protein powder, almond butter, and a splash of almond milk. This smoothie is not only delicious, but also a great way to sneak in extra calories and nutrients. Wholesome dinners. Dinner time. Opt for hearty dishes like baked salmon with a side of quinoa and steamed broccoli. For a plant-based option, indulge in a lentil and sweet potato stew served with a mixed salad. These dinners are rich in proteins and complex carbs to aid your muscle growth. Bedtime snack. Before you hit the sack, enjoy a bedtime snack to keep your muscles fueled while you sleep. How about a creamy cottage cheese bowl topped with fresh fruits and a drizzle of honey? It's a satisfying yet light option. And there you have it, folks. A full day of delicious, nutritious meals to support your weight gain journey. Remember, it's not just about the calories. It's about giving your body the right nutrients it needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.